Kitty! Kill up to 1.4 to 3.7 billion birds each year. This is because kitties are predators and are attracted to the movement of birds. Kitties are one of the biggest dangers that live around people brought to wildlife. Stray kitties are most likely to kill birds and house kitties.
The process of the reproduction of plants. Birds also help decrease the number of bugs such as beetles, mosquitoes, and moths. More than 33 species of birds have gone extinct because of what cats have done to them. So before leaving your kitty outside, you should think things like, should I really let my kitty outside? Or, what could my kitty do to the birds outside? If you decide to let your kitty outside, you should think about putting a collar on it, specifically with the bell, so that the birds can see them and they can easily get away.
Created using Powtoon.